last 2 Asian championships. Throw in the Asian Games as well. He's on a streak. Nothing else expected but pure class from this man tonight. It's a heavy load to carry.
I mean, you're talking about a wrestler who is, if not the most explosive wrestler on the Greco-Roman circuit. Only needs a split second to go for those big throws, those big 4 points. A massive fan favorite here, of course, and has looked almost unstoppable today in the opening rounds. Great position there for Joloman. Shavchenbekov with that left hand on the hook, right hand almost locked. Needs to try and limp arm his way out of here, which he does for the 2. Great job there, had the pressure, realized the pressure was on the shoulder. All he had to do was limp arm through, so that is when you relax your arm, you bring your back of your hand through, and because of the pressure that your opponent's giving, they will fall onto the stomach. And due to Inaba fleeing the mat in parterre position, they will start in the middle again.
Well, I for that to get a whole lot harder for Kaito Inaba.
Shavchenbekov just jumped the gun a little there.
Action back underway. Shavchenbekov readies himself.
Like I said, once you get those hands locked, he is incredibly explosive, needs to be careful with the long wings of Inaba. Will take him up for 2 points.
And that is not easy to do given the height difference between these two as well. Inaba is extremely rangy. But even with that range, Shavchenbekov removed him from the earth. And had Inaba not had those inches that he has on him, it would have been all over potentially.
It would have been a lot worse. Again, this position. Shavchenbekov needs to try and drive his opponent forward, force a mistake. Almost shugs him over for the 2 points.
Score is 2, but was there a bit of footwork involved in that? Japan choosing not to challenge that for anything. Keeping their powder dry for what might be to come. 7-0.
Now, but on a headlock position here, but needs to be careful because Shavchenbekov could have popped out there.
And the fact that Kaito Inaba is still alive in this contest is impressive enough. Shavchenbekov began the match like it was the opening scene of an action movie.
Well, it really did. It's something you mentioned before, Jack, about Inaba being a lot longer with those long levers. It did really save him with that lift because being the shorter guy, when Shavchenbekov does lift, those extra inches do count because Inaba's feet are still on the ground, so it's hard to get takeoff on those lifts. Still manages to, what you said, get him off the ground, but only for a 2 instead of a 4.
Incredible dexterity from Inaba. 7 points to nothing behind, though. Shershon-Bekov has refueled. The tank's full once again.
Shershon-Bekov really digs that left-hand underhook in. Every time he gets the chance, always looking for it.
To the floor. Neutral position, and we start again. George, you know Shershon-Bekov a little bit. You've been with him earlier this week in Kyrgyzstan. What can you tell us about the kind of competitor you've got a sense for who he is?
Well, I'm watching him at training, and what you see exactly here is how he trains. The tempo that he moves at is insane. He's constantly working. He's working on those big throws, especially in the matches and training. Works at a very high tempo. But on the other side, such a nice guy, very opening, very welcoming to the whole staff at United World Wrestling. So it was just great to spend some time with these guys and see how they live and how they train. It's very motivational for people in the sport. And these guys, superstars in their gyms. After training's done, they have lines of kids lining up, waiting for pictures, waiting for autographs with these guys. And I mean lines of kids. All spellbound by just looking at these guys training. So just goes to show how loved they are in this city and in this country.
Yeah, he's not going to be getting away from the Bishkek Arena anytime soon tonight, is he, Jonathan Shershon-Bekov? Especially not if this ends in a grandstand finish. And the win almost assured now, but that moment for everyone in the arena to take home, a big throw from Shershon-Bekov. That's what the fans are keeping their fingers crossed for right now. Look at the save from Shershon-Bekov. Here it comes. It's a four-pointer for the man they adore so much. He never leaves them worried about his fortunes out on the mat. There are no worries when this man is wrestling. Unrivaled in Asia, unrivaled on the world stage for the last few years. And he double underlines that here again.
Ladies and gentlemen, your winner.
And what a performance, just looked unbeatable the whole day. Nobody able to touch him.